The moment we arrived at the Dubai Marina, we couldn't resist ourselves. So, to start with, we decided to spend the evening at Dubai Marina with a boat ride right away. Our first stop left us speechless. Dubai Marina is breathtaking. Imagine stepping onto a movie set. The towering skyscrapers light up the sky, turning it into a mesmerizing light show. And those fancy boats parked by the water. It is like having a slice of New York in the middle of the desert. As the sun sets behind the skyline, the city takes on a cozy golden glow. And what better way to soak up the evening beauty than by hopping on a boat at the marina? Once you step onto the boat, you are hit with the sound of waves splashing against the sides and the cool sea breeze on your face. It is super relaxing. The boat smoothly glides through the marina's clear waters, showing off amazing views of the skyscrapers all lit up. You will see some incredible modern buildings like the twisty Kian Tower and another beautiful and skyscraper impressive Princess Tower. They look even cooler reflecting in the water. As evening falls over the marina seashore in Dubai, the Dubai Eye rises like a luminous giant from the perspective of a boat. Its bright lights and towering structure dominate the skyline, creating a captivating sight against the darkening sky. As the boat gently moves through the water, the Dubai Eye's slow rotation adds to the dynamic ambience of the scene, offering a memorable view from the water. As you cruise along, you will hear the marina buzzing with the people enjoying themselves. There are cafes and restaurants with twinkling lights, making the whole scene feel like something out of a fairy tale. We hopped on the boat, feeling the gentle rock as it cruised along the calm river with the sun setting in the background. Suddenly, we were treated to some awesome Arabic dancing by the local performers. They wore cool outfits and moved gracefully, telling stories with their moves. The music made it even better, blending perfectly with their dancing. It was like a magical moment, where everything just clicked and we could not help but be totally amazed by the whole thing. Passing by all those fancy yachts and the sailboats parked along the marina adds to the calm vibe. It is like a little escape from the city's craziness. And as the evening goes on, the sky puts on a show, turning shades on pink, orange, and purple. It is seriously breathtaking. You realize this boat ride is not just about seeing the marina, it is about creating a memories you will never forget. Thank you sincerely for joining us for our latest video on our channel Ultimate Images. We genuinely hope you found it enjoyable. If you did, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit that like button and share the video with your friends. Your support truly means everything to us. Thank you once again for tuning in.